Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 preparation part 1A. Here we will discuss biology and chemistry MCQs. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। शुक्रिया। A positive Benedict's test is not given by option A sucrose, B lactose, C glucose and option D maltose. So the correct option is A sucrose. Explanation is Benedict test detects reducing sugars. Those which are free aldehyde or ketone group. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar because its glycosidic bond, which is alpha 1 beta 2 between glucose and fructose, blocks the reactive groups. Lactose, glucose and maltose are reducing sugars. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. So this is very important MCQs. A pentose sugar is option A glucose, B dihydroxyacetone, option C ribulose and option D erythrose. So the correct option is C ribulose. Ribulose is a type of pentose sugar which is also called ketopentose. A positive Slivinov's test is obtained with option A fructose, B glucose, C lactose and option D maltose. So the correct option is A fructose. Slivinov's test distinguishes ketoses like fructose from aldoses. Fructose ketohexose reacts quickly producing a red color, while aldoses like glucose, lactose and maltose react slowly or weakly. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Starch is a option A polysaccharide, B monosaccharide, option C disaccharide and option D none of these. So the correct option is A polysaccharide. Starch is a polysaccharide composed of amylose, linear alpha 1 4 glucose chains and amylopectin, branched alpha 1 4 and alpha 1 6 glucose chain. Polysaccharides are option A proteins, B oils, C acids and option D polymers. So the correct option is D polymers. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates that consist of long chains of monosaccharide units. They are polymers of sugars. What is the carbohydrate of the blood group substances? Option A sucrose, B fructose, C ribulose and option D maltose. So the correct option is B fructose. Blood group antigen, option antigen A, B and O contain fructose. So the key component in their oligosaccharide chains, sucrose, ribulose and maltose, are unrelated to blood group specificity. An organ that is extremely sensitive to ammonia toxicity is dash. Option A liver, B brain, C kidneys and option D heart. So the correct option is B, brain. The brain is susceptible to ammonia, which can cross blood-brain barrier and can cause neurological symptoms like confusion and coma and hepatic encephalopathy. Ozone is not formed with the dash. Option A, fructose, B, glucose, C, lactose, and option D, sucrose. So the correct option is D, sucrose. Ozonolysis cleaves double bond. For example, in unsaturated sugar, sucrose lacks carbon double bonds, so it does not form ozonide. Fructose and lactose or maltose are basically reducing disaccharides, can undergo reactions but not ozonolysis. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। What is the most important epimer of glucose? Option A, arabinose, B, galactose, C, xylose, and option D, fructose. So the correct option is B, galactose. Epimers differ at one chiral carbon. Galactose is the C4 epimer of glucose, which is hydroxyl group differ at carbon 4. Fructose is a ketone, while arabinose and xylose are pentoses, not epimer of glucose. Thank you for watching my videos.